Hi, my Keykey friends. Here we are again off on the road for a new adventure. And guess what? We are exploring Singapore, the one and only. Yeah! I know you all have been waiting for this, but there will be a catch, and I will reveal that later. So please don't hate me. Okay, if you have been following my journeys, you know how much I love discovering beautiful places, and this one is called Marina Bay Sands in Singapore. I don't know if it's simply the fact that I spend most of my time in the water that made this trip very special to me. And then, of course, growing up, a pool was a major part of my life. I feel like this is bringing me back those memories. Actually, it was the one weapon my parents would use against me. I would go to that pool every single day, rain or shine. It was amazing. And for that being said, today's episode will only focus on my poolside photo shoot, or maybe should I call it "Let's Meet at the Pool" again and again, days and night. So yes, please don't hate me, and that was the catch, okay? But you know I always got your back. There will be more episodes. I just wanted to share this with you guys. So let me know your thoughts. I'll really appreciate it. Honestly, if you haven't thought of it yet, this should be on your bucket list, if you know what I mean. It's the kind of place that always want to make you stay. Of course, unless if reality calls, then you have to answer. I made a mistake that I will forever regret. Booking this resort for only 3 amazing days, it simply wasn't enough. I wish I had stayed 5 more days. There was so much more to explore. Well, lesson learned. So this entire experience was all about giving myself a chance to relax, unwind, and fully enjoy the moment. And the truth is, this resort had left a lasting impression on me. You know what? Let's not waste another second and jump right in, okay? So sit back, relax, and come along with me on this unforgettable poolside adventure in Singapore. Yeah, guys, let's have some real fun.